This a LPB.
I rep the M.I. Michigan motherfuckers up the M.I. Michigan motherfuckers. Put your hands up if you down with the M.I. State of Michigan, homie, that's where I reside. We all get along and the chicks so it's simple. I got love for the coast, but ain't nothing like the M.I. I don't rap the city, man, I rap the whole state. Get your ass knocked out if you come up here and hate. We got too much talent to sit around the way. Only stay reppin' hard, so fuck what y'all say. Like, who to say, we don't fuck around. I see you lousy boys keep holding down. Yellow City bombs, love the M.I. too. We all in this together, yeah, that's how we do. From Detroit to Boy City, hold it down. Lance in the East Point, back up to Yanktown. Murder Manhattan, yeah, that's what they call the state. Disrespect the glove and we'll put you out. M.I. Michigan motherfuckers up the M.I. Michigan motherfuckers. All my Detroit peoples, put your hands up. All my East Point people, put your hands up. All my Lansing people, put your hands up. State of Michigan, put your hands up. I remember when I used to chill up in the D, sipping 40s with the crew up in Hickory. Head over to Strasburg and blaze the weed. Getting high as a motherfucker, chillin' with the labs. Homie, it's LP, ain't a damn thing changed. Still reppin' for the Orientals in this damn game. This is how we do it, up in the M.I. Party all night until the sunrise. We either chillin' at the Fusion or Bangkok City in Detroit, where the haters get shot. We get crunk just like this beat, getting crunk as a motherfucker just as I speak. Home of the big cats, doing big acts. It's time to put the M.I. on the map. We make hits, son, going cold there. I rep the M.I. and you know that's a fact. So all my Yanktown people, put your hands up. All my Warren people, put your hands up. All my Saginaw people, put your hands up. State of Michigan, put your hands up. M.I. Michigan motherfuckers up the M.I. Michigan. I rep the M.I. Michigan motherfuckers up the M.I. Michigan motherfuckers.
LPB.